What's up, guys, out there in the crypto world? This is Dwight here with Retro Crypto YouTube channel. It is November 29th at 1:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the good old US of A. As you can see, the market's on fire today. It looks good. It looks much better than usual. And I got some pretty cool projects I want to talk to you about. I want to talk to you about DogeCoin. I want to talk to you about Cardano. I want to talk to you about Shib. I want to talk to you about XRP and BabyDoge. Those are some of the projects I want to talk about today, and a little bit more than that, actually. But before we get started, time for the intro. All right, guys, here we go. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an ordinary guy with a passion for cryptocurrency. It's essential that you do your own research before making any and all financial decisions. All right, awesome. All right, first things first, guys. Every single one of you, smash that like button. I need every one of you to hit that like button, tap it, rub it, smash it. I want to get as many likes as I can get. The more likes I get, the more that YouTube will spread the word of my channel to the masses. And while you're at it, leave comments. I love comments. Want me to cover a project you don't think I don't know about? I probably don't. Please leave it in the comments. Let's look into it together. And subscribe. And while you're subscribing, hit that little bell notification. You'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. All right, guys. With all that said, all right, so basically, let's jump right on in here, guys. First things first today, what I want to talk to you about is I was thinking very deeply before I started recording, and I guess the best way for me to express this is sometimes you got to look back at the past, to see where you're going to go in the future, if that makes any sense to you. And I was like, let's look at the total crypto market cap. I haven't done this in ages, and I'm talking probably 50 videos. And it's kind of important. I just stopped doing it. But the total crypto market cap encompasses all of the crypto projects, just like when you're dealing with the stock market, like Dow Jones, NASDAQ, all that good stuff. And this here is just all the crypto projects out there being tracked at once. Now, right here, you'll see where it says November 10th, 2021. That was the all-time high. Now, the all-time high peaked at roughly $3.015 trillion. That is absolutely amazing. And that will be USD, US dollar, in dollars. All right. Now, we have fallen all the way down to where are we currently? 78. What was that? 783 trillion. Yeah, 783 trillion. And it's just amazing to see how far we're falling, how quickly we're falling. But at the same time, if we look back here, how fast we rose. So to say that we went from, let's see, September 22nd of 2020, we went all the way up to 3 trillion. Okay. Now, yeah, we dropped back a lot, but what's to say the next run won't put us at 6 trillion? It's really not far-fetched, not at all. And just kind of like food for thought kind of there for you. Now, you can see all the volume here, the different drops and all with the volume, the good days, the bad days. And then this down here is the fear and greed indicator, if you're wondering. It's pretty self-explanatory, fear and greed. Green is good, red is bad. But yeah, so anyway, just want to put that in your heads. Now, let's jump right on into Dogecoin here. Oh, by the way, my channel has a membership. If you guys want to subscribe to the membership, it's what is it? I think it starts at $2.99, and you get your little cool little icon thing for when you put your messages in, and it helps support the channel, support me, and I think it's kind of cool. But I belong to a couple channels myself, tell you the truth. But all right, let's keep on going. Oh, and it's down in the description. All right. Dogecoin jumps after Elon Musk shares glimpse into Twitter 2.0 plans. Dogecoin investors continue to be hopeful that Dogecoin investors continue to be hopeful that Musk's vision for Twitter 2.0 will include some form of Dogecoin integration. All right, billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk has confirmed that he intends to integrate payments into what he describes as Twitter 2.0, the everything app, fueling a short-lived 19.4% price surge for the meme-inspired cryptocurrency Dogecoin. The new Twitter CEO revealed his plans in a November 27th tweet to his 119.2 million followers in which he shared several slides from recent Twitter company talk. While Musk made no mention of Doge in a tweet or in the attached slides, this didn't appear to stop some investors from being hopeful that DogeCoin will be involved in some way. All right. According to the data from CoinGecko, Dogecoin's price surged 19.4% from 0.089 to 10.5 cents over several hours after the tweet before cooling off to 9.5 cents at the time of writing. Other plans listed as part of Musk's vision for Twitter 2.0 included advertising as entertainment video, encrypted DMs, long-form tweets, and relaunch Blue Verified. Data from the slides also suggests that Musk's takeover of the company has already made an impact, with social media platform reaching all-time high in terms of new user signups and user active minutes, which were up 86% and 30% respectively over the last week in comparison with the same 7-day period in 2021. In October, rumors surfaced of Twitter's crypto wallet plans after popular tech blogger John McCune Wong speculated in October 27th tweet that the company had already begun working on a wallet prototype that supports cryptocurrency deposits and withdrawals, which led to Doge price surge of 40% at the time. Yafei, the co-founder of Switzerland-based blockchain software company, recently told Cointelegraph that even if Musk were to integrate Dogecoin onto Twitter, it wouldn't be a wise decision. Even if they do manage to build a payment system around Twitter, there are much better blockchain solutions than Dogecoin to choose from with regards to security, privacy, smart contracts, and scaling. So, long story short, pretty interesting stuff here with Twitter, Doge. Now, as the followers of my channel, you know how I feel about Elon Musk. I'm not a big fan of him. I never forgave him for the rug pull that he did in 2021. I didn't lose any money on that one, but a lot of people did. And people tend to forget, especially when you're rich, famous, and genius. And you really shouldn't. You forgive, but you never forget. And if you don't believe me, do some research, dig back 2 years ago, and you'll find people complaining about it like crazy. Because, yes, it did happen. Sorry about that, guys. Now, with all that said, do I own any Doge right now? Yes, I do. I'm just an ordinary guy on the internet with a passion for cryptocurrency and a desire to make money and make crypto. So, yes, I did pick up some Dogecoin yesterday. I do hold some. And I'm expecting it to pump just because Elon Musk can just tweet Doge going to the moon and we'll see it run 300%. It's going to be ridiculous. I've seen it before. It's going to happen again. All right. Now, let's look at the Cypher chart here. Now, this is the Cypher A chart. I have this on the 4-hour. And let's see, we got a short signal on the 28th. And it looks like we recovered from that short signal. Now we have a bullish continuation, a bullish and a bearish. Cypher A chart's not too exciting. It did have a buy signal here and no sell signal. So still technically in that buy signal range. And that's with the Cypher A. Now, if we look down here at the Cypher B chart, okay, a little bit, okay. Right here we had a buy signal, nice channel. But right now it's coming up with a sell signal, which is at the peak, which kind of makes sense to me because it just had a nice little run. The momentum is good, but it looks like the momentum is about to start pulling back down. The volume is definitely pulling down. The cash flow is good in the overall crypto market today. That's that little green right there. The RSI down here is indicating that it is severely overbought right now. It is severely overbought. So today wouldn't be the day to do it unless you really... I don't know, you just maybe a dollar cost average, you just stick with your plan or whatever. But yeah, I will wait till it pulls back a little bit. All right, now you look here at the exponential moving average. On a 4-hour chart, Dogecoin is bullish as hell, with plenty of support. There's no other word to use but bullish, guys. Very, very bullish with support. It looks great. This looks absolutely great. All right, and that's on a daily chart there. This one's a daily chart. Now we're going to look over here at Dogecoin. I thought you guys might get a kick out of this. Let me get a sip of water real quick. Now this chart right here is Dogecoin. And what I did was I did a Fibonacci retracement going from 100 to 0 because we're starting on the bottom. And these little dotted lines right here, that's at the, I'm sorry. This is the 61.8, which is the magic spot. And it's a sweet spot. And if you notice, that's right around where DogeCoin is floating at. So according to the Fibonacci retracement, if you wanted to pick up some Doge, maybe today is not a bad day. Just saying. All right. Next article. All right. Cardano among top 3 chains with highest daily development activity. According to GitHub data, Cardano ranks among the top 3 chains in terms of daily development activity. Reports from Cardano Updates, a Twitter account tasked with the responsibility of delivering real-time updates on Cardano releases and daily development reports, collaborated this. GitHub daily development activity. Number 1, 806 Ethereum. Number 2, 603 Cosmos. Number 3. Sorry, that was number 2. Number 3, 590 Cardano. Number 4, 525 Polkadot. Number 5, 525 Kusama. Number 6, 484 Decentraland, which is kind of impressive for the metaverse there. Number 7, 424 Elrond. They're still in the game. Number 8, 423 Internet Computer. Number 9, 409 Filecoin. And number 10, 389 Hedera. It's Hedra. This is pretty remarkable. If you guys don't know what GitHub is, well, here, it'll tell you. On Monday, 555 commits were pushed across 64 GitHub repositories by 110 authors. There were 923,792 additions and 258,667 deletions. The JavaScript SDK for interacting with Cardano, which provides various key management options and support for popular hardware wallets, saw 53 commits. Marlowe Cardano, a implementation of Marlowe of the Cardano blockchain built on top of Plutus, also saw 53 commits. Marlowe refers to financial smart contracts on Cardano. This is big, guys, but it's kind of big more in a background technical sense. So you guys can go to GitHub right now. Anybody can, you can just do a search on GitHub. GitHub's going to take you to a site. This site is like a repository of all of the updates, software updates, the batches, what's going on in the background, hardcore technical stuff, but it's there for everybody to see, more or less. And it's pretty cool stuff. You should check it out when you're done watching this video. Is there anything else on this one I'm supposed to read? Oh, yeah. The Cardano node saw 31 commits as a report due today. The Cardano node version 1.35.4 was recently released and continues to gain traction with SPOs migrating to it. Hydra, the layer 2 scaling solution on Cardano, received 28 commits, according to ILG's most recent. So basically, a ton of commits to it. This is big news. There's a lot going on with Cardano. These projects right here, I could probably just do a video. I was just going to do the video and just go through all of these guys, but I wanted to keep it a little bit more spicy than that. But this is hotness right here. This is fire. All 10 of these projects. All right? That's all I'm saying. Now, crypto world, things come and they go, but right now, bing. And anybody that knows me, I'm going to say Ethereum, Cardano, and Polkadot. And Kusama's actually like a parachain to Polkadot to that effect, and Decentraland. Now, Cosmos, they came out of the nowhere. Atom, they are to be taken seriously, guys. I swear. And they really haven't lost their value compared to everybody else. It's pretty amazing. Check that chart out when you get a chance. All right, so let's take a quick look at Cardano here. Uh-oh, what'd I do? All right, let's take a quick look here at Cardano. And yeah. So market cipher chart, Cardano is still in the middle of this pullback here like it was yesterday. Bearish continuations, sell signal. Momentum is way down. It does look like it's about to come up. It's trying to come up, but it's also firing off a sell signal right here. The volume was up, it's pulling back, and the cash flow is not that good at all, guys. The RSI is indicating it being oversold right now. I swear, Cardano's like a diamond in the rough. It's like that red-headed stepchild, but sometimes that red-headed stepchild wins in the end, guys. Ichimoku charts predicting Cardano to stay bullish going out into the future, well, through December 24th. Cardano with the exponential moving average is looking quite bearish with the 4-hour chart, and I know the daily chart's bearish. But please, do not sleep on Cardano. You will regret it. I love that project. Just saying. All right. Next one up, Shib. Shib can finally take over Solana and market cap top if these things happen. Per coin market cap's top data, Shiba Inu has yet again surpassed Solana in terms of market capitalization. It is possible that the take of Shib over Sol at the top will remain, considering a number of positive and negative price triggers. Shib, being Dogecoin's copycat, is benefiting from all the factors driving up the price of the first meme coin. The next chance for another rally is Doge birthday, December 6th. Sol, on the other hand, is still under pressure due to its affiliation with FTX and Alameda Research. As it turned out, not all Sol tokens were sold during the global sell-off, with 46.8 million Sols still owned by Alameda. Go figure. You gotta love those venture capitalist funds. Anyway, I knew that. I always had a feel my soul. All right, so if you take a look here at Shiba Inu chart for all you Shib fans, I probably would wait a minute because this blood diamond right here is like a death cross if you look at the moving averages. So it looks like Shib's going to be doing a bit of a pullback in the very near future, guys. Yeah, because this is a change from previous trend that you're fired off with a blood diamond. That's the worst thing you can get, really, with that first chart here, Cypher A. Now, Cypher B chart looks, is that orange? No, I think no. All right, so Cypher B chart, you have this green here, channel started, volume was looking good, and I guess it must hit a brick wall because now we're going back down right when this blood diamond fired off and the volume's down. Yeah, the RSI is shifting from overbought to bought to it's neutral right now, but it looks like it's going to be, Shib really looks like it's going to be going down today. So hold off, you get a better opportunity. If you look at Shib right here with the exponential moving average, Shib is showing bullish tendencies with this chart, in my opinion. It's still within these bands. If I look at the daily chart, the daily has this being bearish though, so for what it's worth. All right, next part of this article. I love this article. This is a cool article. Yesterday, Whale Alert crypto tracking service spotted a major transfer worth 30 million XRP to the EU-based Bitstamp crypto exchange. The aforementioned tracker marked the wallet from which the transaction was made as unknown. However, according to a BitHump data, the funds came from BitGo, the biggest custodial crypto service in the U.S. that works with institutional clients and also as a crypto exchange. The transaction happened as price of the XRP token dropped by 7% over the previous 24 hours. But at the moment of writing, XRP has recovered, trading at 0.3926, up almost 4% over the past day. Ripple lawsuit resolution would be epic for crypto capital venture founders predicts. The entire crypto community is now closely following the Ripple SEC lawsuit, the creators of XRP, and crypto capital venture founder Dan Gambardella is no exception. He recently took to Twitter to share his thoughts on a resolution of the case, saying that it could be epic for crypto and potentially a defining moment to ring in the bottom of the bear market. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse hopes that the case will not go to trial since he believes the judge has enough evidence to make it a verdict without a jury. In this scenario, the case might be resolved sooner. As reported by US Today, Garlinghouse expects the lawsuit to be over in the first half of 2023. That is huge. They really got screwed over, guys. Like right when the market kicked off, the SEC went after Ripple, saying that it was a securities, and I don't think it is. I think they're going to win this one, but time will tell. All right, let's get XRP up here. That is the wrong one. All right, so let's take a look at XRP. XRP is bullish. No. Okay, let's go through the indicators. On November 7th, XRP did a bearish continuation, a short signal, a bearish continuation. That's on Cypher A chart. Now, Cypher B chart, I'm seeing something different. Cypher B definitely is looking more bullish than bearish, in my opinion. You see this channel where it came down from November 6th, came down right here. That's a buy signal, sell signal, then another buy signal with a channel that took the momentum upward. Sell signal kicked in, but now we got another buy signal kicking in. Now the volume right here is starting to peak at a positive direction. Cash flow is negative, but it really looks like we're about to swing around and go the right direction with this. It's kind of hard to predict right now, but But yeah, this chart's only gonna be able to help you so much because there's just so much going on. But I'm saying that it looks like it's about the cipher A definitely makes a bearish. Cipher B looks a little bit more bullish. The RSI is showing positive action because you can see where the RSI it was very oversold, and now it's working its way up to the neutral. It's still oversold, but it is starting to work its way back out of this little rut. So that's where XRP stands. XRP on a 4-hour chart is very bearish, and on a daily chart, it is very bearish. All right, back to the article. Next up. All right, Shib rivals Floki and BabyDoge prepare major announcement details. BabyDoge and Floki Inu, successors of Shiba Inu cryptocurrency, are getting ready to announce and integrate significant innovations into their developing ecosystem. When it comes to BabyDoge, BabyDoge today reported the implementation of buyback mechanism and the burning of fees for all trading pairs with token swaps. The burning is supposed to start on December 1st. That's like a reverse buyback with stocks, if you're familiar with that. As for Floki, there are expectations related to the tokens listing on Binance following the AMA conference with the exchange, as well as on OKX. Also, during the conference, there was a leak about the use of Floki on Binance Pay, which made assets price spike 25%. So if we take a look here at BabyDoge, I don't follow this one, but I do have a colleague who does. Hey, where's my RSI at? Who does follow BabyDoge? That's kind of weird. Well, we don't need the RSI anyway too much. That's just, it should be showing up there. Okay. Yeah, that's really weird. That's got me bothered. Let me jump backwards. I want the RSI here. So we are going to go to another chart, and we're going to make that the BabyDoge. And BabyDoge does not have RSI. That's really weird. I have to get back to you on the RSI part, so we'll push you on. All right, so looking at BabyDoge here on a 4-hour chart right now, you'll see that it had a change from previous trend on November 23rd, a bearish continuation, a short signal, a buy signal, a bearish continuation, short signal, bearish continuation, short signal, sell signal. The last signal on the Cypher A chart was a sell signal. Now you got to remember, this is like micro cap for BabyDoge. That's why you see these numbers over here. Now on the Cypher B chart, you're going to see it. Okay, the Cypher B on the 27th, the channel for the sell signal here started. We rode that down, hit the green, and Cypher B is indicating it might be time to buy it, actually. I wouldn't suggest buying BabyDoge. This is like hardcore penny stock kind of. I don't want to insult it because it's crypto, but yeah, its number's pretty low. Matter of fact, let's jump over here real quick. I'll give you an accurate number so you know what we're talking about here. BabyDoge. There we go. You see all those zeros? That's where BabyDoge operates at. All right, guys. So that's it for this video. Remember, I offer a membership. Check it out. See if it interests you. Maybe you want to help a brother out, contribute to the channel. The least thing you could do is subscribe and hit that like button. I need that. Subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and leave comments. And until next time, peace out. All right, guys.